Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Welcome to our weekly checkup where we chime in and show you what we've done for the previous week. So thanks for coming to our channel. If you like what you see, as always, please click that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. So the last time you left us, I think we had the main deck framed, but we did not have our dog ramp framed. This ramp we built is not to ADA standard. It's not a 1 in 12 pitch. This is more like a 2.5 in 12 pitch. So it's a little steeper. It ended up being about 11 degrees. This is not designed for wheelchairs. It's designed for old dogs. These people, they take in strays and people that can't take care of their pets anymore. They're too old, or for whatever reason, unfortunately, sometimes tragedy happens and these people have taken in pets. One of them is an old lab, and he can't really navigate stairs too well. So the whole idea on this project is that we created space for the pets to get out the house and come down into the yard so they can use the restroom and that kind of thing. Just get their activity in, you know? So we framed this ramp since then, and then we've also laid all of the decking. We have all of our surface borders done, so let's go up and take a look at that. The decking is TimberTech AZEK, and this is called English Walnut. So we got all the decking laid. We installed it with a Cortex hidden plugging system, which means we use stainless steel screws, and we face screwed all the decking down to the joists, and then we put little plugs in all the holes to conceal the screws, and then we hammered those down for a nice fastener-free top. Looks beautiful, and it's the best way to attach a deck board to a frame. We can refute and dispute that all day long, but it's my opinion and it's my channel, and that's what I think. So that's what matters, right? Once the decking was installed, we cut all the straight lines with a track saw, and then we put in a same color surface border that goes along all the edges. It's a nice detail. You'll notice that I do not do miters. I don't believe in them. I don't think they stay together very well over the long haul. So I do a lot of butt joining, herringbones, and lap patterns and things like that in my work, just because over the last 30 years, I noticed that they seem to stay together and look better longer for a longer period of time. Again, just my opinion, happens to be where I live. Maybe it's something in the air, I don't know. Your area may differ, it just depends. All right, so now that all the surface borders have been installed, we wrapped the deck in dark hickory fascia, which is another TimberTech product. It's TimberTech AZEK Dark Hickory, for a little bit of contrast around the border edges. And then we added some skirting around the edge of the deck, just between the ramp and the deck, and around this other side where the hot tub will be concealing the rest of this end cut over here. So the hot tub's gonna be moved over there once the slab's poured. We still have to pour the slab. And then we're building a bench, a corner bench right here, and we're right in the middle of that. So if you see that, this again, just colors match. It's all matching. Again, I do herringbone patterns instead of miters. I like the way it looks. My clients do too. And we're just going for the longest longevity possible, the most longevity that I can get out of these decks and accessories. This is how I try to build. So once that's done, we also have some railing that we're gonna put in over here by Regal Ideas. So there'll be a rail right here that people can grab onto as they come down the ramp, and a little short rail section right here will be installed as well. And then this deck will pretty much be a wrap. So we got quite a bit done this week. I'm happy with our progress. All the trim's done. We're just trying to finish up this bench right now, and then we'll get the railing on later. And that's pretty much what we got done this week. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content, which is usually 3 days a week. Don't forget to like this video, share it around with your friends, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.